Some buttons on my remote no longer work, so it's time to open it up and clean it. In 10 years, a lot of grime has built up on our remote. So, with a little bit of soap and our brother's toothbrush, it's time to get to work on the outer plastic case and the silicone membrane. I was so focused on how much I needed to clean it that I did not realize that this part wasn't in frame. But as you can see, it's still very dirty, so it's time to use some rubbing alcohol. That's much better. The graphite traces are absolutely disgusting, which is part of why the remote didn't work, so we've also got to clean these. And you can see they're much better now. Pop it together, screw it in. Finally, we put the batteries back in, and then we test it. And as you can see, the up button and OK button, which were the two that weren't working, now work. Oh, and I forgot to show earlier, even though it's got a lot of wear and tear from being 10 years old, it looks very clean now.